Hey guys, thank you for joining us again, Car System Installation. So we're going to show you a two-channel dashcam installed on Mercedes G-Wagon G63 2018. So we have the rear camera in the back window in here. We ran the system and the wiring going through the factory boot all the way inside and hidden. We have, in this case, we've used a battery pack, so that way we have the vehicle, when the vehicle is off, the camera is running on its own battery. The front camera clear and nice in the front in here. The power we took in this case, we actually utilized our, we have here our lighter. So in this case, the lighter actually turn on and off, and that's the best circuit we can have, because it would be the same as just putting the camera externally. But obviously we don't have anything in the lighter. We have went to the back of the lighter to have it done properly. For dashcam installation and other electronics for vehicles, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel. I will see you next time. Have a good day.